Hello everyone and welcome to the Hyderabad AWS User Group. I hope every one of you who's watching is staying safe during these difficult and disturbing times. Well, I'm coming to you to share a quick preview of the activities planned for our group ahead. First up, we have a session scheduled next week on the 23rd of July in what we would like to call 15-minute Fridays. What you will learn in this session is how to make use of AWS IoT to remotely control microcontrollers such as these using your phone or computer. As an example, the lights that you see behind me to do something like this. Well, 15-minute Fridays are all about demos and a quick run-through of how it's done. But that's not it. We here at the Hyderabad User Group like to experiment with ideas that help you engage better with the community. So I'm happy to announce the official Clubhouse group that's available on the Clubhouse app, which you can join right now. We will be running Clubhouse rooms simultaneously during our session so that you can interact and ask questions live. We have many more sessions planned for you in the coming weeks, including serverless Sundays and secure Saturdays. So what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can be notified when the session starts, because it's just 15 minutes and you wouldn't want to miss it.